Hi there, I'm Alessandro from Wideum. Do you want to know how to improve your technical service on the field? Today, I am going to show you how simple it is for your service technicians to start using your new RealWear headset. This suitcase contains some of the most advanced technology to help equipment manufacturers reduce operational downtime thanks to remote assistance. This is the main kit: the smart glasses or headset, the work band, and the charging cable. The headset works perfectly well with powerful software applications like Remote Eye. Use it for remote mentor video calling, document navigation, guided workflow, and industrial IoT data management. As you'll see, it's really easy to set up and get started. Let's build the kit in 3 simple steps. This device includes 4 main elements. 1. The optical display, where you can see the remote expert's indication. The high-resolution micro display fits just below the line of sight. Take time to adjust it to your best focal length. 2. A high-resolution camera with a flashlight. 3. The audio kit. 4 microphones with the best noise cancellation and voice recognition system, and a speaker. 4. A powerful integrated Wi-Fi receiver. Optionally, you can snap your headset to a hard helmet or a bump cup and use it with safety or reading glasses. Now, connect the headset to the internet. To make it more simple, you can do it through RealWear Explorer on your computer or using the app RealWear Companion on your smartphone. Now, open Remote Eye using the voice command. Remote Eye. Remote Eye is a live video remote assistant software that connects an expert and a local operator. The expert guides and assists the operator in installing, maintenance, or repairs that require specialized knowledge. A 4-digit code appears on the screen. Provide this activation code to your remote expert. You now appear as connected. Congratulations! You are now ready to make your first Remote Eye call.